Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 13 classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1927 Ford T-Bucket. Priced at $13,000. According to the seller, this 1927 Ford is a fiberglass-bodied hot rod powered by a 350 small block engine, mated to a 350 automatic transmission. It was not presented as a show car, but is described by the seller as a fun vehicle with solid potential. As the seller notes, both Edelbrock carburetors have recently been rebuilt, although they may still need some additional tuning. The car is offered with a clean title and is located in Windham County. Number 2. The 1931 Ford Model A. Priced at $50,000. According to the seller, this 1931 Ford is a steel-bodied 5-window coupe that has been cut 6 inches and is equipped with a rebuilt 350 engine, automatic transmission, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. The car rides on well-dragged light wheels with new tires up front and slicks in the rear. The interior includes new seats and additions such as the new Legacy convertible top, door panels, chrome steering column, headlights, and a cross-steering system that is included but not installed. While the car is said to run well, the seller notes that the steering system needs to be updated, hence the new cross-steering system included. The car has full paperwork, is registered as a vintage vehicle with matching plates. No trades accepted. Located in Suffolk County, Long Island. Number 3. The 1930 Ford Model A Tutor. Priced at $25,500. This custom car features a rebuilt 400 small block engine with a 4-bolt block, bored 30 over. The engine includes new bearings and rings, a Melling high-volume oil pump, a Comp Cams hydraulic camshaft with matching lifters, and Flowtech 180C cylinder heads. Additional performance upgrades include Harlan Sharp 1.5 roller rockers, chromoly pushrods, a Mayun dual timing set, and a shiny Proform aluminum water pump. Fuel is supplied by an Edelbrock mechanical pump and regulator, which feeds 2 Edelbrock 600 carburetors on a classic Edelbrock tunnel ram intake. The ignition system was updated with Patronix components and a high-output coil. The drivetrain uses a T5 5-speed manual transmission with a solid pressure plate and clutch, connected to a Ford 9-inch rear axle with 3.50 gears and Posey traction. The front suspension is Speedway Motors components with QA1 adjustable coilovers at all 4 corners and a ladder bar in the rear. The exhaust system uses classic headers and a small Flowmaster muffler. Cosmetically, the body has been chopped and shortened by the previous owner. The car rides on new steel wheels with Baby Moon hubcaps and new tires. The interior is partially finished, with Mustang bucket seats, some carpeting, and working gauges. A small rear seat and tilt steering column from I Did It are also included. Located in Cottonwood, California. Number 4. The 1934 Ford Model B Pickup. Priced at $35,500. This custom hot rod combines a 1934 Ford cab with a 1932 chassis and is listed as a 1932. Power comes from a 450 horsepower Blueprint 383 stroker engine with a 4-bolt block and full roller system, mated to a TCI TH350 automatic transmission, all of which were installed about 2 years ago. A full exhaust system is included, with electric cutouts that can be opened or closed with a switch. The cutouts are integrated with welded-in side pipes, directing the exhaust out the bottom of the doors, quiet when closed and louder when open. The cab has been channeled 6 inches and has new weather stripping, door rubbers, a new windshield, and rubber guards. The tailgate is solid oak and opens with a remote. The suspension is considered adequate, but may be a little too comfortable for long trips. The seller is open to trades. New rear drum brakes, new front disc brakes, and new Hoosier rear tires with new wheels installed about a year ago. The interior is also new about a year ago, with an Alpine stereo, infinity speakers, and a 3-speed heater with vents in the dash and floor. A tall shifter is currently installed, but a short version is also available. The seller notes that the car has no fluid leaks and all systems are in working order. Painted quarter-mile red, it is attractive despite a few minor blemishes. The car is equipped with a display board and reportedly won 6 trophies at local car shows last summer. Trade-ins are being considered for certain hot rods or classic Chevys. The seller warns that the cabin is tight. Big guys be warned. Located in Eugene, Oregon. Number 5. The 1932 Ford Tutor. Priced at $36,500. According to the seller, this 1932 Pro Street hot rod is based on a full steel body. Under the hood is a 350 small block aluminum engine from Road C, mated to a Powerglide automatic transmission. Power is sent through a custom-built 9-inch rear axle with drag strip durability as a priority. The chassis was built by Chassis Works, and the system features 4-wheel disc brakes and stainless headers with cutouts. The exterior is finished in silver with flames, while the interior features black bucket seats. Additional performance upgrades include an MSD ignition system. Located in Salem, Indiana. Number 6. The 1949 Chevrolet Fleetline. Priced at $30,000. This 1949 Fleetline features a 327 engine and automatic transmission. The car is equipped with air suspension on all 4 corners, as well as a 4-link rear end with an open driveline. As mentioned by the seller, the exterior is clean with no ornamentation, painted green, and the interior is white. According to the seller, the car is in excellent condition and has about 20,000 miles on it. The trunk is the only area that is unfinished, but it is being prepared for a coat. Located in Cololton, California. Number 7. The 1937 Ford Humpback. Priced at $21,000. Originally converted into a street rod in the early 1990s, this 1937 Ford features a chopped top and period-style modifications. Under the hood is a small block engine with a B&M mega blower and dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors. Power is sent through an automatic transmission, and the car uses headers for the exhaust system. Other features include manual steering and brakes, power windows, and a retro red digital dash. The seller notes that the body is mounted on real wheels and is painted in good condition despite the decades, although there are some cracks and bubbles in a few areas. The interior is partially finished. The seats have been professionally reupholstered, but others have not. The seller says the car runs well and has been shown at several local cruise-ins during its 5-year ownership. Located in Jefferson City, Missouri. Number 8. The 1931 Ford Model A. Priced at $29,500. As noted by the seller, this 1931 Ford Coupe has covered less than 500 miles since its completion. Power comes from a 355 engine equipped with a 671 blower. The engine is built with a solid roller cam, stud girdles, 2.02 ported cylinder heads, forged pistons, HBAM rods, and a steel crankshaft. The engine is backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a 3,900 RPM stall converter. The rear uses a Ford 8-inch axle with a 3.55 gear ratio. According to the seller, this is a solid, well-built little hot rod with complete paperwork. Located in Tacoma, Washington. Number 9. The 1934 Ford Pickup. Priced at $27,500. According to the seller, this 1934 Ford has a full steel body and is powered by a Chevy 350 engine paired with a new turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drivetrain includes a 12-volt rear axle with a 4.10 ratio and a PY differential. The seller notes that this truck was a show vehicle about 20 years ago and is in good condition. The exterior is black, while the interior is finished in blue. Full paperwork is available. The seller is open to trades and notes that the cost of building this truck would be much higher than its current selling price. Located in Rockland County, New York. Number 10. The 1941 Willys Coupe. Priced at $39,500. According to the seller, This 1941 Willys has a fiberglass body made up of individual panels, designed to resemble the original. The body manufacturer is unknown, but the vehicle is listed as a 1941 Willys. Under the hood, there is a 355 engine with a fairly aggressive cam, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a 10-bolt rear axle. The front suspension is a Mustang II setup, with disc brakes and a Willwood master cylinder. The exterior is blue with a black interior. The car is described as a driver quality car, not a show car. The seller may consider trade-ins for pre-1972 classics. Located in Lakeland, Florida. Number 11. The 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. Priced at $35,000. According to the seller, this 1932 Highboy is equipped with a 383-stroker engine with dual Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetors, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, and intake. A 700R automatic transmission is mated to a TCI chassis. The body is fiberglass, and the rear axle is a Ford 9-inch. The engine side covers are included, as is the new convertible top. The exterior is yellow with a tan interior. The seller states that a lot of money has been invested in the construction of this car. The car has complete paperwork. Cash only, no trades, and test drives are cash only. Located in Brunswick, Ohio. Number 12. The 1951 Mercury Monterey. Priced at $50,000. This 1951 Monterey has a custom chop top and is built on a 1984 Monte Carlo chassis. The engine is a 350 with matching transmission. The exterior features ghost flames, paired with car wheels and new tires. According to the seller, the paint is in good, if not perfect, condition, reflecting its mid-1990s build. The seller notes that this car is only about 5 feet tall and stands out at shows, often being the only Mercury in attendance. The $50,000 price tag is non-negotiable, but trade-ins will be considered for certain models, particularly a 1966 Chevelle or a 1968 to 1973 Camaro. Located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Number 13. The 1929 Essex. Priced at $85,000. According to the seller, this 1929 Essex has been transformed into a unique hot rod with many custom features. The body was stripped down to bare metal and given 3 coats of clear coat. The car sits on a custom tubular frame and features a removable soft top. Under the hood is a high-performance 427 big block engine with a Holley 850 CFM carburetor and roller rockers, built for show and street use. The lubrication system is from Moroso, and the transmission is a 5-speed manual with overdrive. The seller also provides historical documentation of the vehicle. The exterior and interior are both gray. Only 325 miles have been covered since its completion. Located in Dana Point, California. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.